Alright, greetings y'all from Colorado Springs. I've had me a lunch break. On to the next car wash to continue our Mark 7 day. Uh-oh. No, it's closed. Wait. Oh yeah, there's a cone. No! That was the rare metal stainless GTO-300. That stinks. Okay, on to the next one anyway. Okay. Alright, since the last one didn't work, actually this one says open, we're at the Lotus car wash. This one is a Mark 7 AquaJet GT profiler. It's a GT with the dryers from a GT98 on it, so it should be cool. This wash looks very new, very unused. Car inside light, that's kind of cool. Okay, let's see what you have. There is your wash menu, right there. And then there's the few manuals, and then yeah, 9, 10, 11, 12. So of course we'll go to 12. The voice is like super quiet, super turned to channels 12. Might want to do that one. Then do the next. Let me wash it further. Cash. I don't need a receipt. Oh yeah! Still here. Alright, well, exposure up because it's looking. Huh, this one's actually got a old treadle in it. This thing looks pretty old. GT700. These systems are getting pretty hard to find too. Let's get the exposure up. Man, we need it in here. Yep, it's got the old dryer, so it's a profiler. I can find 2 merchandisers, but barely 2 of these. Well, the AquaJet GTs anyway. Dripping stuff. These GTs are pretty quirky. Remember when these things were just absolutely littered all over the place? Now it's like you can barely find one anymore. You can barely find them. Yeah, arm is kind of contouring a little bit. That doesn't sound like a Mark 7. I think they replaced the turbo nozzles with flat nozzles. That sounds very quiet for a Mark 7. Dry foam, pretty good. see. Oh yeah, the signage up there does still seem to work. That might be a spot for you. This thing's in pretty good shape. Here come our old dryers. Old Vortex dryers. Always do a good job. Hopefully we should switch to the side dryers. Interesting how they were like that back then. Yep. This side isn't working too good. Neither's the other side. Well, maybe a little better, but... Oh, I love... Oh, these old Mark 7s are just so cool. I'm gonna try and keep finding some more of these GT AquaJets. There's one in Crum, Texas that got replaced recently. Alright, now we're on to the last merchandiser, the second one, so... Okay! Don't want the door to automatically close on me now. That would not be fun. That's still an okay car wash! Oh, love taking a trip down nostalgia lane for that one. Anyway, yep, that profiler is still there. Also a fairly rare Mark 7. So, alright. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. See you all in the next one.